Yo! A few years ago, I bought a Recaro SR4. And everything was great, you know, I bought rails for it, installed it, no worries. And I told myself in that video, I will steam clean it someday to get rid of all the grime and filth that was on it. And now, many years later, that day has finally arrived. So we're gonna use a rug doctor, courtesy of my girlfriend, to give this seat a deep clean and get it looking nice and new again. We'll get all the human muck out of it. I'm just gonna take the entire seat out, make it a lot easier. All right, here we go. I've undone 4 bolts, really easy to do. Apologies for all the cake. Man, these things are heavy. Look at all these treasures, damn.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the f-
Alright, I've given it a good vacuum. And next up, we're gonna hit it with some carpet and upholstery foaming cleaner. Mainly these spots that have so much dirt and grime layered to them. We'll see if this works. And we have to be really careful down here because the fabric's torn. Whoa. Alright, let's get our general purpose brush and really just get it in there. You know what, this is probably a bit too harsh for this seat, so I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to rub it in using a cloth. But that's already started taking the stain out. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So you're at this point probably wondering what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and whether I have any idea as to what I'm doing. And you'd be correct in assuming I don't. Okay, we ran into some trouble, as per usual. How the rug doctor works is it takes some detergent from one of those tanks and sprays it through this little bit here. That little bit using this trigger, and that's broken. Essentially it doesn't spray, so the only thing left is that vacuuming function. So I was lucky enough that Dad had a really small cheap steam cleaner lying around that we thought was broken, but basically that sends water onto the seat as a really warm hot mist. Of course, that's steam, and we can then use the vacuum to suck it all back up. So we're gonna try that and hopefully it works. Wow, that is incredible. That's so good. And there you have it. A Recaro that's still really old and clearly got signs of wear and tear, but is a lot cleaner than it was 24 hours ago. So yeah, overall that came out pretty damn good. It's not as brand spanking new as I'd want it to be, and there's still a little bit of gunk left around on the base of the seat, but that's just too hard to get to at the moment. I know it's a lot later, but damn, I had to show you guys this. This gunk is all from my seat. That is delicious. Wow. That actually looks so much better. I think because I was the one cleaning it over the space of a few hours, I kind of saw it progressively get better, which meant I didn't notice a dramatic change. Anyways, I didn't really know what I was doing on this video, but I learnt along the way and it turned out okay. So I hope you guys learned something from that, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one.
You say you got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.